to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Divas, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, guys, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, join the family, and also turn on your notification bell. Okay, so you can follow me on my Instagram page, you can follow me on my Facebook, and also if you want to join my online training class, you can write me, and my number is below the description box, and my Facebook page is also there, and my Facebook page is also up here on this very video, so you can contact me, guys. So today, what am I going to be talking about? Yes, like I said before, I said I'm going to be showing you the fake rapid whitenizer serum, how to spot the fake rapid whitenizer serum. Yes, I use rapid whitenizer serum because it's a very nice serum, not just for lightening, it's for spots. If you want to make a face cream that you want to use to clear out your spots, if you have little spots on your face, you want to beautify your face, you want to give your face that radiant, spotless skin, rapid whitenizer serum is #1 item on your list that you should use if you want to make any facial cream. Yes, guys, but please be careful because now they started selling the fake in the market, and trust me, if you get the fake, instead of repairing your skin, you will be damaging your skin. So I bought the fake one from the market, and I bought 2 dozen of it from the market, and I bought it from Trade Fair. If you want to get fake products, if you want to buy fake products, go to Trade Fair. That is the depot, Trade Fair in Lagos. That is the depot where they sell fake products. So yes, there are some people who also sell original product in that same Trade Fair. But my dear, before you will see someone that will sell you original products, and unless that person is your major client, maybe you are buying products up to 500 to 1 million from that person, that is when the person can be giving you the original one. But if you're just buying little like 1 dozen, 2 dozen, just small things from Trade Fair, like normal a random buyer, you're going to buy a lot of fake things. So I got this rapid whitenizer serum from Trade Fair, and this is pure fake. So yeah, guys, if you don't know rapid whitenizer, this is rapid whitenizer serum, and this serum is great, guys. Forget that they have fake in the market, but this serum is great. This serum is the main thing for skin lightening and for spots. For skin lightening and for spots, this serum is the main thing. If you want to make a face cream, guys, don't miss out this serum. If you want to make a facial cream for spots, if you want to make a facial cream for lightening, even normal cream for your body, don't miss out this serum, okay? This serum is great. So this is what rapid whitenizer serum looks like, and I'm going to tell you how you're going to spot out the fake one. Let me tell you something, guys. With the carton, you will not know the one that is fake, okay? It is the same carton. With the carton, you will not know fake one. It is the same carton. They did not change the carton. They did not do anything like mistake on the carton. The same carton. But the problem is the inside. Let's see what we have inside here, guys. Let's see what we have inside here. So this is the fake rapid whitenizer serum. So this serum is totally brown in color. So I don't know, maybe my camera maybe my camera is going to make this serum light, or it's going to make it a white color. I really don't know, but what I'm holding here is not white color, it's not yellow color. What I'm holding here is brown. What you are seeing may be white, maybe yellow, I don't know, but what I have here is brown, just like crude kenako. You know, crude kenako is brown. That is what I have inside here, okay? And the serum inside here is thick, really thick, like crude kenako. One thing about the original rapid whitenizer serum, it is white, form of white, like milk color. It's just like salad cream. We all know salad cream now. And it is not thick, not that thick, like really thick. No, it is not that thick. It is a little bit, it is losing. The serum is loose, you know. It's not thick. And it is white, like milk color, normal salad cream. If you pour it inside your lotion, anything you are making, if you pour it on top, it is a salad cream. Do you get? But here, this is the fake one here. This one is brown in color, not just brown in color, and this one is also thick. And also the seal of this very serum, the cover is white, fine, no problem with the cover, but the seal, this very seal you're seeing here below the cover, the original one is plastic. The original one is plastic, okay? Transparent rubber. The original, okay, this very seal you're seeing below the cover, the original one is a transparent rubber below the cover. The original rapid whitenizer serum, the down here is transparent rubber. Why this very one here, this fake one, the down below, the seal here is a plastic seal, just like this very cover. It is plastic like this cover, very thick. Plastic like this cover and white, which is not supposed to be so. Why the original one, the down, the seal on the down is a transparent rubber. A transparent is not, I will not call it white. When I say transparent, we know transparent is like watercolor, right? So that is how it is. It is a transparent rubber below the cover. That is the seal. But this very one, because it is fake, now they cannot change the carton, because maybe if they change the carton, people are going to notice on time. But when it comes to the seal, be careful. If you're buying any rapid whitenizer serum that the seal here is white plastic, it is totally fake, okay? The seal must be a transparent rubber. And if you're buying any rapid whitenizer serum that inside is very thick, be careful, it is fake, okay? And if you are buying any rapid whitenizer serum that the color is like root canal brown color, be careful, that one is the total like fake. And if you open it and smell it, you will know that it is fake. I have this serum 2 dozen in my house. You can just imagine the wickedness. I don't know, maybe the person knows that it's fake, the seller. Maybe the seller knows that it's fake, or maybe the seller does not even know if it is fake or not. Do you get it? But I got this from trade fair and I opened it. I was like, wow, I don't buy market. And I really needed this serum badly, because when it comes to sports remover, I use this to make a sports remover cream, but this is total fake. Please just be careful. If you go to the market, you want to buy this serum, use your leg or shop, go there, open it. Open the serum. If you open the serum, then you are going to see it. If you open the serum, you're going to see it. Okay, now, so just look at the original serum here. This video you're seeing beside, this video you're seeing here is the original serum. That is how the original rapid whitenizer serum is. But this one you're seeing in my hand here, it is fake. You can see the difference. There's a big difference from this one. The bottle, the seal, and the color, everything. It is different. So guys, be careful. Try to get the original one of this serum. If you get the original one, trust me, if you use it to make your facial product, you are going to love it. You are going to enjoy this serum. This serum is 20,000 per dozen. So don't make mistake and buy the fake one and use it to make your product and you damage your skin, or you use it to make products for other people and they damage their skin. It is really not nice. You know, these people, I don't understand them. I don't understand why they will be making fake products. I don't just get it. They just want to destroy people's skin. Do you get it? So be careful, guys. The original one is not brown in color, and the seal of the original one is a white transparent rubber, not a plastic, guys. Try to get the original one. This one is the total fake one. So what I'm holding here is a brown color. That is it, guys. This is how you're going to spot the fake rapid whitenizer serum. Please take note of the plastic here, the seal. Take note of the seal, okay, and take note of the color, and also take note of the content inside. The content inside should not be thick like root canal. No, it should not be thick. The serum inside should be a little bit loose, not that thick, okay? So this is how you know fake rapid whitenizer serum. And this serum is really good. People are buying it a lot. That is why they start doing fake. Yeah, guys, people are buying it a lot. This serum is selling in the market. This serum is selling in the market. People are buying it a lot. That is why they start making fake. So we just have to be careful so that we don't go and buy the fake product. Yes, guys. So that is it. If you have any question concerning this fake serum, leave your question below the comment section and I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. I'll reply as soon as possible, guys. So I'm going to see you in my other next video, guys. Bye.